What are you doing? I can't do it.
Oh, you tapping out?
I tell you, I quit.
Oh, your nipples hurt?
I can't do it. Shit.
You said you can't do it. We got there. We're gonna pull up and Joey's gonna be in the driveway basin. Are you done yet?
Yeah, let me ever see that child basing and I'll fucking kill him.
Basin like his speakers.
Oh, I thought
You're lucky I had them beads in my hand.
Sorry,
Oh,
it's
you
the
fucking
natural reaction of Joanna. She's the one
That's
that
free
said
basin.
Are you done?
Ever.
No? Boy, it's gonna be good.
It is.
What the freak is this? Slap wars?
Joey, though. That's me and Joey. My neighbors
Basin, not
know.
free basin.
My neighbors know.
Oh, somebody got slapped.
You got the basin,
Somebody got
free
slapped.
basin.
Oh, there would have been
They see
two.
your free basin over there. He could be part of the fire department no more.
Oh, somebody got smacked. Oh, what's going on in the kitchen?
Later.
Hey, no kitchen, bitch.
Oh, somebody got smacked again. Oh, crap. It's camera.
You got me in the eye, you bitch.
Hey. Nipple twister.
I got beads in my eye.
You got beads in your eye? You like the ball beads? Oh! Hey, don't run into the cameraman.
I can't see shit.